Today, we'll show you how to register for our online lien search portal called eLien. Once you're registered for eLien, you can search anytime to see if a lien has been placed against a person, a business, or a property address. First, go to pbcwater.com. Navigate to the I Want To menu and select Perform a Lien Search. Click on Lien Registration Form. Select to register as a business or other and enter your information in the required fields. Review the terms and conditions and check Yes to accept them. Next, click the Submit button. You will receive an email confirming your request. If you don't receive anything, check your junk folder for an email from WUD Service. You will receive a second email a few minutes later. The second email will contain an account number, an ID number, and the zip code you will need to complete the eLien registration. Click on the link in the email and enter the required information. On the next screen, you will need to make a username and password. Use this information each time you conduct a lien search. Choose how you'd like to search, by address, by owner name, or by business name. You can also modify your contact information by clicking on Lien Account Profile and choosing to update your email or password at any time. Remember, after each session, click on Log Off.